In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Api-ms-win-crt-heap-l1-1-0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser, any browser that you have. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button that is corresponding to the architecture of your Windows. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click on the folder, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy, and go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, right click and then select paste, click on continue and paste it here. Now once done, close the Windows and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 2, open a browser again, search for Visual C++ or Distributable, hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. You can also try to consider reinstalling the program that is giving you the error. So click the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Locate the program that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots, select and install, and simply reinstall it to your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.